What's up everybody, Josh Campbell here at MarineMax St. Petersburg. Today I want to bring you aboard this gorgeous Boston Whaler 360 Outrage. This is an amazing boat with a ton of unique features. Starting back here in the cockpit, this boat is optioned with the summer kitchen, which has a sink, live well, and grill. And underneath that, we have a couple drawers of storage and 5-gallon bucket storage. This particular boat is powered by triple 400 V10 Verados by Mercury. With the 400s or the 425s, you're going to see some really great speed, great fuel economy, getting you there, comfortably and quickly. Port side and starboard side, big insulated fish boxes. If you're like me and you're the fishing guy, you're not going to run out of room for fish. Or if you're just doing those longer trips, Bahamas or whatever, hold a ton of ice and drinks. Over here, port side, we have our dive door or fish door, very wide and spacious with a swim ladder that goes out of there. Starboard side, we have a fold-out bench seat, which makes this a great, entertaining zone as well. One unique feature is this rear-facing seat right here. This also has access up to the T-top for if you want to go up there and, spot fish or just have a cocktail and watch the sunset. Easily pull out. Right here, we have a nice little area to put some drinks, put the blender, mix up those cocktails. We'll go ahead and head up to the helm. Here at the helm, this boat really shines. You've got your 3-wide seating here, super comfortable for those longer journeys. And looking forward, we've got our dual SIMRAD displays and easy access to all of our switching. One thing to note is the helm pad or the foot pad that comes out right there. So super comfortable to sit. You can actually operate while sitting. And one thing I really like is this big wide glass enclosure here that does keep you out of the weather. But if you want, you got optional AC right here at the helm. Starboard side, we have a nice refrigerator, so easy access to your drinks right here. Let's go up forward. Here in front of the console, we have a spacious sun lounger with yet again more storage underneath. I'm 6 foot, I feel extremely comfortable here. I would feel safe underway. Plus a couple cup holders right here on the armrest. Moving forward, more cup holders and more seating. Underneath that, we have some insulated boxes or for more storage. You've got access to stereo controls up here. And another neat thing is this can either be one large sun lounging pad with a filler right here, or turn into a table if you want to sit around it and entertain. All the way forward, you've got access to your windlass controls. And then these rod holders here are also stanchions for your bow sunshade that would come all the way up to right here, making this a great entertaining zone. Let's check out the cabin. As we make our way down into the air-conditioned cabin, you'll notice we have a sink with trash can underneath and a wet head with a vacuum flush toilet. Moving forward from that, a nice comfortable bed if you want to get out of the weather, take a little nap. Hey, thanks again for joining me on this Boston Whaler 360 Outrage. If you guys want to see this boat or any other boat in the Boston Whaler lineup, remember my name is Josh Campbell from MarineMax St. Pete. You can stop by the store and see me, or you can give me a call at 813-401-1968. We'll see you out on the water.